Ciao a tutti, I'm Annetta, happy to see you here. You probably received some email from me or maybe we had a chat together. But here I am and I want to personally welcome you to the Italian for a While community. I've been involved in building this project for some months now and I can tell you how excited I am and moved to see you all here. What is the Italian for a While community? As you know, our mission is to organize travel and language experience in our country, Italy. We plan for you a real journey, an opportunity to meet new friends and live a different life, where you can meet other travelers from all around the world that maybe will share your same experience, where you can talk, practice your Italian, share tips, find support. I hope you're excited as much as I am, and we'll start talk and share, because this is what a community is about. Have fun and see you around. Ciao!